Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy T. Sean from XV, coming out to you guys again with a new vlog. I just got done with Aiden, and I've been working hard today. My hair is messed up. My arms hurt. Tired. It's like the sunlight's making me like a shadow. Which I am the shadow. I've been looking through my previous videos, and one of my videos with my hair product, that was when I was like 8 or like 9 something. That video had about, it was like 72 views, and I have the little pic of it in the description below. Well, I have the pic right up here so you can see it, so you'll know what video I'm talking about. And I put another video for hair product. I put that before. That was awesome. It has like 50 something views. I haven't checked it right now, but I will check it later on tonight. I will be coming out to you guys with a new vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, The Life of Shadow. And don't forget to, what was the other word thing? Oh, don't forget to subscribe to our XE account. That's with me and Aiden. And don't forget to subscribe to Shadow Reactions. I actually posted a Shadow Reaction video before. I haven't checked it either. I had to check it when I get home. But I really wanted to remind you guys about it, but it will be really awesome. It's a nice day. I love how it's so nice out here. Oh my god, it's so nice out here. Now you can see me now. My hair is like messed up so bad. Next week, I think Thursday, I'll be getting a haircut, but I will have a different kind of style haircut. It's not like how I have the sides trimmed all that stuff. I will have the sides trimmed around, but I will have a big afro at the top. And it will really look awesome.